again? First thing in the morning, our assignment is... So, wow, very good. And the other ones?
This?
Yeah? Grabe ang mga pangyayari dito guys. Wala kaming mga tulog. Paranoid masyado kami kagabi. May na natin, ano yan. Kayo tingnan yung mga baon pala ng anak ko. Nandyan ang kanyang mga prutas. At ang kanyang bagong look. May juice po yan. At yung kanyang extra damit. Kasi nga mag-upo na si Nathan guys. I love you. Enjoy. Enjoy your first day, baby love. I love you. Bye.
Talk to me, okay?
Yeah. Bilisan mo. Kaya malate ka na. Bilisan mo. Come on, come on. Ikano na binan, okay? Come on. Yeah. Come on. Bye-bye. I love you. Daw makaiyak ako, guys. Grabe ka-sweet ng anak ko. Sinabihan ko na yun siya na kung batuhin ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng bato din. Grabe ang pangyayari kagabi. As in, paranoid kami, hindi na ako makatulog ulit. Pagod na pagod ako ngayon, pati si Daniel. Kay alas 2 ng madaling araw, nag-alarm ang bahay. Grabe. Wiu, 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 wiu. 2 beses. Grabe ang takot namin. Akala talaga namin may tao. Akala namin napasukan kami, guys. Nakalimutan. Kaya diba sa vlog natin kahapon, naglabas po si Nathan. Nakalimutan po namin na ilak ito. So, very mahangin po yesterday, pero hindi natin alam ba. Kaya wala din kaming makita. Kasi itong CCTV na ito puno ng lawa. Nilinis na nga siya kanina ni Daniel. Pagkababa po talaga namin, punta siya dyan. Nilinis ang CCTV. Kaya, di ba maraming gagamba sa garden namin. Di ngayon, puno siya na. Wala ka talaga makita, guys. Kahit anino, wala po talaga. So, kagabi, 2 beses nag-alarm. Di tulog na kami, alas 2. Pati si Nathan gising. Si Daniel, sige na sabi. Sino yun dyan? Yeah. Siyempre, Dutch. Wisdar! Wisdar! Hey! Hey! Ganun si Daniel, guys. Di, inano niya na naman ang alarm. Nandyan lang kami. Nandyan, sa taas ako. Hindi ako bumaba. Kaya kung may tao man, siyempre, iniisip ko na good na kung may tao, ang kwarto, nasa kwarto man ni Nathan si Nathan, ko ba, itulak ko ang ang bed niya, di doon kami sa kwarto niya, magtawag ako ng 911. Sabi ko pa kay Daniel, magtawag ako 911? Hindi po 911 dito, 112. Di, si Daniel, ino niya ulit ang alarm. Nag-alarm man yan ulit, guys. Grabe, takot pati si Daniel, takot. Kaya sabi ko, dapat may mga baseball bat kami dito. Ay, hindi kami makakuha ng or makabili ng baril. Bawal po yan dito, no? Hindi ko alam. Hindi din siguro baril, for safety, guys, yung baseball bat. Pero kailangan talaga namin ng ganyan, guys. Di, nag-alarm siya. Wiu, wiu, wiu. Takot na takot. Pag gano'n na si Daniel. Wala man talagang magsalita. Pasok siya. Check niya dito. Pag check niya, bukas nga ito. Ngayon ang bahay namin, guys. Hindi basta-basta makapasok dito. Pag open pa lang, pag turn on ng alarm, pag open pa lang ng mga dyan, kahit saan dito, lahat yan, pati ito, may sensor yan. Yung mga po namin, yung mga bintana, may sensor po yan. Yan, may sensor, yan, may sensor. Lahat po dito may sensor na pag na-lock na siya, pag nag-alarm, malakas masyado. Tapos maglakad-lakad ka dito. Oo, nakita ng sensor na may naglakad-lakad dito sa sala namin. Mag-alarm din siya.
You have to do something, Mahal.
What?
You need to grab your phone and put an alarm on there. And you need to get Nathan at 11:30, like I said.
11:30 na 12:30. How was he, Mahal?
Yeah, he's good.
He's excited?
Yeah.
I was telling them what happened last night.
I removed the spider webs, but need to grab a little leather and really clean it.
Also in garage, Mahal, if someone will break the garage, Mahal, there's a sensor there too that will... high blood, duda ko, nagsakit. Lahat dito hanggang ngayon masakit. Kay, hindi normal. Uy, katakot. That's why I told Daniel that maybe we will have the baseball bat. Where can we buy that, mahal? Both you and me? Nathan's room and also...
Many baseball bats.
Yeah. We cannot buy a gun here, like registered gun?
No.
No. Taser?
Also no.
Pepper spray? Also not?
Also no.
Huh?
It's a weapon.
Are you sure, mahal?
Yeah.
Where you?
You know what I did before?
Huh?
When I was still living at my mom's place, and then I heard a sound, and I yelled downstairs if it's my mom, and no answer.
Yeah.
I was there with Siert or Ralph, I don't know.
Not your ex?
No. I grabbed the sword, and then I went down with the sword,
No?
jumping Vika like that.
But we don't have a sword anymore.
It was Vika, but no, that's the sword of my grandfather.
But mahal, Vika also has alarm before?
No, I just heard them.
Ah,
I
no.
heard something
So she
because
doesn't-
Vika was in the garage, but she didn't answer me back,
Mm.
and she went into the garage.
But
But the sword was not sharp.
yeah.
It's a blunt sword because
Mahal.
it was the sword that my grandfather used when he got married.
But what I want to know ba is Vika doesn't have alarm now. You know, last night I was googling this city has most of the
Break-ins?
Yeah, break-ins, mahal.
Yeah, they have tried to break in at Vika's place too.
Really?
And the neighbors, or not at Vika her house,
But the
at
neighbor.
the neighbors, yeah. The ones, because the houses of where Vika is living, you have a house in front, and then a house in the back, and then a house in front, and a house in the back, like that. And the ones in the back, they try to break into those ones, so they can then, because behind there is water. So they were thinking that they probably wanted to use the water to get away.
Yeah.
That's why they probably only attack the houses in the back and not the houses.
But only 3 weeks ago, Vika was also saying that her friend, you know, it's like they had a trick now that they will put something on a small paper on your mailbox, and if it's not done there for so long, then they will break into your house because then they will think, there's no people there. And it says in Google, mahal, that they usually go in the afternoon until 7 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah. And you know, when I was living with Fetze, they broke into his place. Not when we were there, but
Yeah.
because he had a back door, and you know, like this door, when you push it up, it will lock with pins here and there and there, and you really need to push it down before it will unlock. So it's hard to get this door out. But his door did not have that. What he had was, you have a little thingy here that you can do manually, another thingy here, and then here is the lock that you need to turn.
Yeah.
He did not lock this lock, he did not lock this lock, he only had this one.
Yeah.
So they did this in the back, and they felt, and then the door was turning a little bit.
Yeah.
They noticed that only that lock was on, so they just did.
Really, mahal?
And then
They got
went in.
something there?
Yeah. They got an old laptop and an old Beamer, and then they ran away again. That's where I really got that I wanted a alarm in my house.
Yeah. Grabe, I was super scared last night. Man, si Daniel, look, mahal. Are you very scared too, mahal?
I had that from the adrenaline.
Yeah. You were saying, hey, hey, is that? First time I heard you like that, ba? Maybe we should put like a warning. This is full of alarm, like that. Then, because we had that in the other house before, right?
Yeah, but it didn't help. They tried to break into our house anyway. Remember?
Yeah, you are right.
I mean, they failed, but they tried anyway.
You are right. We had that in the old house. They tried to break in. Doon marami. There also a lot of people breaking in the street. Also the one on our back. They also got a laptop and also jewelries from the old woman.
Yeah.
Marami din yan doon. You know, not even that one I was looking like, did people kill someone here? Year 2023, one girl was dead by stabbing. They met together in Tinder. Ay, Yeah, in fact, Polizzi mahal. In the Polizzi website, they met. In Tinder, she's from America. And she went here to study. And then they met on Tinder. And then when they met each other, she did not really like the guy. And then now she is also dating another guy after a week of being together. And the guy was very mad. She stabbed them both. But the one she's dating is alive, but she is dead. Yeah. A lot of that. And also rape mahal during 1999. That's what I was doing until 5 o'clock in the morning. That's why I'm super tired. Yeah. Kaya naghanap pa because they are not showing that in the news, mahal, no? Like crimes here ba? Like people here are very...
There is, in Amsterdam, like a week ago, a girl got murdered when she was driving home from going out.
Guys, katakot. Now I'm afraid to go out with my friends, mahal. And then I am cycling there, very...
I told you, right, that somebody tried to rob me when I was a student.
Where I am driving, always going home.
But not anymore there because before there was a machine in the wall that you get your money, an ATM. You know, that was there before.
Yeah.
But now not anymore. That's where they try to get me, at the ATM.
Yeah. I was telling you, mahal, should I call 911?
Yeah, but that's wrong. That will not do anything here.
And then I was already thinking, if someone really is there, we need to be in the room and then push the bed. That they cannot break in the bed when we are calling.
No, but you know when they break in, they come to steal stuff. So as soon as that alarm goes, they run away.
Oh, yeah.
They don't want to fight, ma. They don't come here to kill you. They come here to steal your stuff.
You know what's most scary? When it alarmed twice.
Yeah.
That is...
I'm already standing here downstairs and then again.
Yeah. But you know what I was thinking, mahal? Maybe someone really break in, mahal. Because if it was open, it would have already alarmed at 12.
Why? When the wind goes like that, you know that this door, you need to really push the thing up, else it doesn't really close.
Yeah.
And Nathan doesn't really do that. I don't know if you do that, but Nathan doesn't do that.
I do.
Yeah, so Nathan is the last one who used the door.
Yeah.
That's why I took the
He
key
was
now.
there when he was eating ice cream.
Yeah. That's why I took the key now.
But it's also nice that we have the key there, mahal, right? Because then they cannot put some key and then try to break in. May trabaho. He's working, guys, and I'll be alone here. I want to check the garage. Maybe someone is here.
I already checked.
Yeah? You know, I was thinking maybe someone was still here last night and then did this, mahal ba? So you did not see. Like this here ba?
No, I checked my...
Okay. Katakot, guys. Mag-ingat talaga tayo. Kaya may mga krimen din pala dito. Matulog ako ulit, ha? Ngayon tayo mag-vlog ulit. Tapusin natin itong vlog mamaya. Busin ko lang itong tea. Mag-alarm ako kay... Magsundo tayo kay Nathan. Si Daniel, magtrabaho man yan.
10,000.
Again?
Yes.
Nakabenta. Thank you, Lord.
Isang wala kita sa yuta. Ano siya, ma'am? Tawagin si Garnet mag-hi ko.
Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan? Dito na ang na-scam, guys. Oh, ang na-scam.
I-shout out.
Ang na-scam, guys. Bevelyn from
Bunawan.
Salamat, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am Bevelyn. Pang ano po yan? Pang uwi sa Pinas. Saan kay, mang? Di, ang bahay, mang, nag-alarm. Grabe, wiu. Takot masyado kami, di. Hey. Pag ganun na si Daniel, sino nandyan? Kaya mag-alarm ba ang bahay kahit may maglakad lang dito pag nakaano na. Tapos ngayon, di nagbaba kami. Sabi ko na kay Daniel, magtawag na ako ng pulis. I-on niya na naman ang alarm. Nag-alarm ulit, wiu. Nakalimutan namin isarado itong pintuan na ito. Tapos ang ano pa talaga, ang CCTV puno ng gagamba.
Masearch mo sa CCTV yan.
Hindi gani makita kay puno ng gagamba.
Kadara.
Dapat mang magpaganyan din kayo ba? Yung may sensor ang bahay na kung may magbukas ng pintuan,
Nabili ko na yung gilid ng bahay, pe.
Proud of you. Paalis na si Daniel, guys. Tayo na lang mag-iwan dito. Hindi na ako makatulog ka ba ganito? Ako lang isa tapos ng alarm kagabi. Baka dito siya nagtago, guys. Wala man. Mahal, take care, mahal.
Hello.
See you later.
Get some stuff from the car first.
Hindi na ako makatulog dito, Kala. Sino makatulog dyan? Siguro ang tulog ko kay mga ano lang, 2 oras. Launa na ako natulog eh. Tapos gising ng 2:00 dahil sa alarm. Tapos nakatulog ko malas 5 na. Tapos alarm na naman kay para kay Nathan. Look at that. The airplane of my husband. That's with lights. It's better to do that next time. Maybe I can go with you, mahal. He puts light.
Yeah, if the wind is not like it is always now.
Kay kagabi magpalipad sana siya. Mga 8:00 ba? Kay walang hangin. So, pagdating niya doon sa bahay ng kuya niya, kay doon man maganda, malaki ang field. Pagdating niya doon, grabe man ang hangin, balik siya. Nilagyan niya po ng light kaya gusto niya i-try basta gabi magpalipad. Next time magsama tayo sa kanya. Hindi na ako matulog, oy. Kain ko na lang tong takot natin, oh. Kaya naglaway na ako ngayon pa lang. Look at that. Ulam kagabi. Mechado! Look at that. Kain, guys. Super sarap na nito ngayon. Mas malasa na to. Itsura daw ng nanginig kagabi, be. Ay, ganyan, no? Tapos ito pa. Grabe ko kasiksi. Ang mga didik natin naabot na dito. Pag ako kasi matulog, guys, hindi talaga ako magdamit. Hindi ako makatulog pag magdamit ako. Hindi kagabi, nakatayo ka. Magbabasa na ako. Tapos nakaburles talaga. Minsan ba, kay Nathan ba ako matulog? Ko pag may magpasok dito, tapos mag-alarm, magbaba ako na nakahubad lahat. Kaya sabi ko, maglagay din ako ng siguro sa batroba or ano ba yung mabilis lang suotin sa sa kwarto ni Nathan. Kaya nandoon man ako kagabi, kaya tinawag niya ako, babago yung nangyari. Sabi, pagkita, ganyan. Kita pa lahat. Tapos nag-uusap kami ni Daniel, tapos ng lahat, nag-uusap kami, nasa bed kami ba? Nakahubad pa rin. Tapos pag ganyan kaming dalawa, kaya nagkurog na nga. Sabi na pangyayari yun, hoy. Pero thank you, Lord. Wala pong nangyari sa aming masama at mas mag-ingat na po na i-check talaga. Tinanggal na ni Daniel. May susi ba ito dito? Tinanggal niya na. Kaya para alam po talaga namin na close po siya. Palagi man namin yung chine-check ba? Lagi namin chine-check yan. Ngayon lang talaga na naano po kami na nakalimutan. Dito si Daniel nagtambay kagabi. Pag ganyan siya ba? Tapos ako idaan lang natin to sa guys, sa tawa-tawa. Nandiyan ako, dito talaga ako nakahubad dyan ba? Dyan. Tapos yun na yung nagsabi ako sa kanya, what, mahal, ako 911 now? Hindi din siya nakapagsagot. Hindi din nag-sick-in sa utak niya ba? Kaya takot na din. Ito po ang aming alarm, guys. So, dyan kami mag-code-code. Ito, may sensor din po yan na pag binuksan. Maganyan po yan. Grabe na experience yun. Grabe talaga. Kahit sino. Talaga, manginig sa takot. Mainit na yung ating breakfast. Nakapagpasalamat good ako kagabi na may alarm kami. Kay kung wala, guys, tapos mangyari yun na meron talagang magpasok. Wala tayong alam. Tulog tayo. Tapos nanakawan na pala tayo. Buti yan. Kay magganyan lang siya dito. Pagpasok, kung hindi nag-alarm, pag ganyan yan pa ang sensor dito. Alarm din. Kaya pasalamat ako na ginawa yan ni Daniel dito sa bahay. Kay katakot, lalo na sa mga nabasa ko kagabi. Ito na city. Ang pinakamarami. Popular. Kain, guys. Kailangan ko matulog, guys. Lutang ako. Maghiga-higa na mo. Laksan ko lang ang alarm. May na ako maglinis, ha? Agin muna ako iba sa bahay ko. Sige na nga, maglinis na muna tayo bago tayo mag-akyat para pagbaba ko maaliwalas po dito. Kagabi, yung pagkagising, alam niyo sabi sa akin, yung yung pagka-alarm na ba, tapos na matulog na kami. Bakit ba? It's always dark. Kaya, sabi ko matulog ulit. Madilim pa, sabi ko madilim pa. Sabi, bakit ba? It's always dark. May posible talaga yun guys, na may pumasok po kagabi. Sure ako. Kasi, yun ang sabi ko kay Daniel kanina, imposible masyado na nag-alarm siya alas 2 pa. Diba? Feeling ko, nakalimutan nga namin isarado. Tapos, may nag-try na magbukas. May nag-try na magpasok. Yun ang iniisip ko. As in, yun talaga ang iniisip ko guys. May pumasok talaga yun kagabi. Hindi din natin alisin ang ang posibilidad na may pumasok po talaga dito. Kasi diba, sipin mo, mahangin masyado. Maaga pa lang mahangin na alas 2 talaga siya nag-alarm. Paranoid na ako, may marinig lang ako kunti. Kaya na, akyat tayo. Doon ako sa kwarto, magdala ako ng papalo natin dito. Anong mapalo natin dito? Pwede man siguro ito. Wala pa man tayong baseball bat. No. Pasok ka dito. Kabigat man ito. I-on ko tong alarm. You heard that? Maglaba na muna tayo guys. I-on natin hindi natin alam baka may mga maligno dyan sa baba guys. Si Daniel grabe din yung kaparanoid. Kay pag mag-ano lang ako yung mag-ihi ba. Ganun agad siya guys. Na yung parang buhay na ang diwa mo habang natutulog ka. Sa takot. Hindi kaya matulog guys. Isang oras lang magiga-higa lang siguro ako dito. Jude guys. Wala pag-asa, hindi ako makatulog. Mag-prepare na po ako para nasa labas sila ba? Sila natin. May mga bata sa labas. I-zoom po natin ha. Mga picture yung kita nyo ng mga naka-block dyan, nakatayo. Mag-prepare na ako kay na po, 10:45 na dito. Okay. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan kaingay kagabi. Bulabog kaming 3. Kalakas. Diba, hindi kakabahan yan? Bigla ka na lang magising. Kapag kaingay-ingay na alarm. Alam nyo na. Tapos 2 beses. Ganun kalakas na nag-alarm. Ang bahay na ito. Itong dito, may sensor din po ito. So, kung may magkalampag dyan, may gustong magbukas dyan, ganyan din po ang aabutin nila. Kaya, pagkarinig pa lang, labas agad yan sila, no? Sana naman, matakot sila sa alarm. Kaya kayo guys, magpaganyan na kayo sa mga bahay ninyo. Kabwisit nitong robot na ito. Biglang nagtunog. Alam na, paranoid tayo ngayon. Lahat ng tunog, kinakatakot natin. Ready na ba ang lahat? Tara na. Mag 11:30 na. Si Daniel, mga 12:30 pa po ang dating nun. Siyempre, buksan ang alarm. And then we go. Galit na galit, oh. Tingnan nyo ang langit, guys. Pero, may araw. Netherlands nga naman. Ano man? Gutom pa ba ako? Baka mapatutin ka mamaya. Oo. Saan ka? Takot siya sa akin guys. Usually maglapit ba yan sila? Kaya alam na, amoy niya siguro ba na kumakain ako ng duck. Palakad-lakad lang siya dyan. Wala na pong tao sa labas. Grabe ang hangin. Grabe guys, para tayong mapalit. Lakas ng hangin. Let's go, it's raining! You want ice cream? Bilis! How are you?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling
I want the cookie.
lakas ng hangin. Now, kamusta? Feeling good? You like it?
Yes.
You like the group 1 or not?
Yeah.
How was the children? Good? Science relief?
Yeah.
Okay. Haven't you lisama gespeeld, bebe? And did you open your lunchbox good?
Yes.
Okay, dat ging goed, bebe lab.
Yeah.
Okay. Heb je de hulp van de juf gevraagd of niet?
Nee.
Heb je zelf gedaan?
Ja.
Wow, ik ben trots op jou. Agoy. Super good daw, sabi ng teacher. Di ba kayo, sila nga yun, nasa labas kanina. Tapos sabi ng teacher, sabi daw ni Nathan, ayaw niya daw pumasok. Kaya very nice daw to play outside. Okay, maghugas muna tayo ng kamay. Did you cry there, Bebe Lab?
No.
No. Very happy? At school? Oh, Mama is also very happy for you. You like it there or you want to go back to the other room with the other children? You like it here?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Ang gusto niya, guys.
This one. I want a lot of
You want a lot of cookies. And then tell us what happened there, Bebe Lab. And then what did you eat for... Ano na, basa katuloy. What did you eat there, Bebe Lab?
apples and pepino.
Apples and pipino. You wait for me, okay? I'll get your clothes. Apples and pipino. Did you eat all of it or not? Hala, inubos niya. Pagka very good man, uy, naubos ang kanyang baon. Kumakain na siya, ka-very good ng baby, uy. Hindi siya mag-iyak-iyak. Yan ang pahinga niya, oh. Pag magdating ng paaralan, mag-lunch siya, papanoorin. Tapos pagtapos siyang kumain, tapos na din ang panood niya. So guys, tama na siguro itong mga pagkamarites natin. Parang nagsunod-sunod na. 3 days na ba? Baka bukas marites na naman. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. Bye!